Hello, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Are you short on time, but want a healthy, practical, and flavorful meal? Today I'm going to teach you how to make spinach pasta that will revolutionize your kitchen. A quick recipe, with few ingredients and perfect for those who want to eat well without complications. So, get your ingredients ready, and if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, because our recipes will win you over with their flavor and practicality. Ingredients for 2 servings. 200 grams of fresh spinach. 250 grams of pasta. 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. 50 grams of toasted almonds. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Juice of 1/2 lemon. 4 cloves of garlic. Spinach will be the star of this recipe, providing an incredibly creamy and nutritious sauce. So, to start, wash the spinach well. In a blender, add the fresh spinach, almonds, chopped garlic, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon directly into the blender jar, ensuring that all the freshness of the lemon is incorporated into the sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Blend everything until you get a smooth and creamy texture. If the sauce is too thick, add a little water to adjust the consistency, but be careful not to make it too liquid. Meanwhile, cook the pasta of your choice in a large pot of boiling, salted water. Be sure to follow the cooking time indicated on the package so that the pasta is al dente. Once it is ready, drain the water well, but reserve a little of it to help when mixing the sauce, if necessary. While the pasta is still hot, transfer it to a large bowl and pour the spinach sauce over it. Mix gently, making sure to coat each strand or piece of pasta in the sauce. This is the time to adjust the seasoning, if necessary. If you want an even creamier texture, you can add a tablespoon of the pasta cooking water while mixing. Finish with a generous layer of grated Parmesan cheese on top, allowing it to melt slightly in the heat of the pasta. For a special touch, sprinkle on some toasted or flaked almonds. The result will be a visually stunning dish with a flavor that will impress anyone at the table. Serve immediately, while it's still piping hot, and prepare to be complimented. And here's a final tip. This spinach sauce is so versatile that you can use it in other recipes, such as lasagna, wraps, or even as a base for bruschetta. Experiment, create, and share your variations. And if you liked this recipe, leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick, practical, and delicious recipes like this one. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.